Hi friends, I'm here again with a recipe that's not quite for food, but it's still a recipe. It's for body butter. I have been using this recipe for body butter for years. This has been my body moisturizer, I would say probably for at least 5 years now. And it works really, really well. The ingredients are found pretty easily at a beauty supply store or on Amazon. I've got olive oil and coconut oil almost always in my pantry, and I just buy the shea butter and the cocoa butter. Equal quantities of almost everything go into a double boiler. Cocoa butter, I take it a little bit easy on that because it has a very strong chocolate smell that I don't really love, but it has great moisturizing properties, which is why I use it. The shea butter as well, it's got really great healing properties. It's great for sunburnt skin, but even otherwise for scar, it's great for stretch marks. So really, really good to use the shea butter in here as well. Olive oil, coconut oil, all super moisturizing ingredients. So this is really, really great for dry skin, especially in the winter time. Like I'll just put it on once a day and I'm good for the whole day. And it gets pretty dry over here in Canada, so always let it come to room temperature after you've melted everything together, and then you can whip it up using, if you want to use a whisk, you can whisk it, or just by hand. I just beat it by hand if that's what I feel like. Sometimes I'm lazy. This I actually put in the fridge to firm up, so it got a little harder than I expected. So I had to put a little bit of elbow grease into it, but as you can see, it comes together quite nicely. You're also welcome to add essential oils to this if that's what you like. I make, sometimes I leave it as is like this, and sometimes I'll add a few drops of essential oil. I like to use something citrusy like a lemon or a lime, whatever you like. And yeah, this keeps forever on your counter. I make this made about 3 jars full for me, and this will last me almost a year. It's fantastic. And look at that, look how emollient that is. Now there's a lot on my hands there, but it will absorb right away in a few seconds, and my hands are feeling less soft and not dry from excessive hand washing. I really hope everyone's staying safe out there. It's been a lot of stressful times these days with the COVID-19 pandemic, and I hope everyone stays safe. And wash your hands and then use this body butter. Take care. See you soon. Bye.